170 Sound and Crack Isolation Mat. Installation instructions. Start with proper surface preparation. Concrete substrates must be a minimum of 28 days old, clean, dry, and free of dust, oil, sealers, and curing compounds. The surface should be smooth, structurally sound, and between 40 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 and 32 degrees Celsius. To prevent vibration transfer, install a perimeter isolation strip along all walls and around penetrations. As an alternative, you may turn the mat up the wall approximately 3 inches around the entire perimeter. Dry fit the mat, cutting it to size as needed. Do not overlap seams. Butt edges firmly together. Note that when using the 30-inch by 48-inch sheets, the edges are beveled and designed to fit together seamlessly. Keep the text on the mats running in the same direction to ensure a proper fit. Using a polymer-fortified multi-purpose thin-set adhesive, apply mortar to the substrate with a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch notched trowel. Only spread as much mortar as you can cover within 25 minutes. Place the 170 Sound and Crack Isolation Mat into the fresh adhesive, either by rolling it out or laying sheets in place. Embed the mat firmly using a 25 to 45 pound, 11.3 to 20 kilogram flooring roller to ensure full contact with the adhesive. Allow the installation to cure for 24 hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Once cured, install ceramic tile, porcelain, or stone directly over the mat using a polymer-fortified thin-set adhesive, following the adhesive manufacturer's instructions. For full details, limitations, and warranty information, refer to the technical data sheet available on our website.